So we see eBeam Home, which is on our screen right now. This is a repository of, or collection of shortcuts that we can put on here. We can have up to 25, and they can take you to either programs, web pages, or folders if you want to. It's all your choice, but this is a great way to organize whatever training, teaching, meetings that you've got, any place that you need to quickly get to and find information that you want to have. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to open up our training, and this is what we're going to be going through. This file is available to you on our website, and when you signed up to get access to the training, you got access to this file as well. So you can work along with us or do it on your own. That is up to you. So this is the eBeam Edge. Again, today we're talking about the wireless unit. These are all the things that we're going to be covering today. And this is more of what we'll be covering as well. So the first thing we've got is our stylus, which is our pen right here. This is what works as our mouse and our pointer. The menu button, which is the second one, is the same thing as the right click on your mouse. The third button is the Tools Palette button, which is this little round one right here. When you press on it, it brings the Tools Palette forward so that you can select the tool that you want to use. The nice thing about it, when you press on it again, it goes away. If you're working on one side of the board, as you press on it, it shows up in that area. The next is the pen tip itself is equivalent to the left click on your mouse. Now this also has a AAA battery, which is installed inside of it already, which you should have. So this will run for anywhere from 50 to 60 hours of continuous use before you need to replace the battery. But if things are starting to go hinky, then you know that you need to replace your battery. Okay, so the very beginning here we have our layout of, now this is all for eBeam Scrapbook 2.0, which is the current version. This covers the version out that is anything I think we're on 2.4 or 5 at this point. So here we have our scrapbook menus, which is the standard menu bar up here at the top. Then we've got our scrapbook toolbar. We have a variety of different ways of seeing the thumbnails that we've got here, which is all of the pages that we're working with. We can see them in the left-hand side here. We can also view them in a fashion where they're all thumbnails. Now we can't work in each one of these, but we can use this to pull them around. If we wanted to move one back and forth here, we could do that. Repositioning them. Then we have a full screen here, which takes away the thumbnails altogether. And then we've got one with a floating toolbar on it down here, where it allows us to even make the toolbar go away. Then we also have here the ability to, let's go back to this version right here, let's turn that off. Okay, we have the ability to add a page here with a plus. The next one over is duplicating a page, which duplicates everything on it completely. Then you can delete the page, which takes it out of the program altogether. Then we've got erasing the page, which just keeps the page but erases everything on it. You've got navigation here as far as moving from page to page or front to end. You've got undo and redo. You've also got delete. And then we've got our stuff right here for the running of meetings. Then we've got a gallery, a screen, and a spotlight. And we also have the ability to hook up to any of the camera that might be connected to our computer.